Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore webhook verification for affiliate event triggers, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your affiliate platform's dashboard. Navigate to the settings or integrations section. Locate the webhook management area. Check the list of existing webhooks. Identify the webhook that needs verification restoration. If the webhook appears inactive, click on it to view its details. Review the configuration settings for any errors. Make sure the URL provided for the webhook is correct. Confirm that your server is set up to receive requests from the webhook. Generate a new verification token or key if required by your platform. Copy the new token securely. Return to the webhook management area. Paste the new verification token into the appropriate field. Ensure that the trigger events for the webhook are correctly selected. Save the changes to update the webhook settings. Test the webhook by triggering an event that would send a request. Monitor your server logs to confirm receipt of the webhook. Check for any response codes to verify successful connections. If issues persist, revisit your server settings to ensure it's configured for the webhook protocol. Consult your platform's documentation for specific troubleshooting steps. Once resolved, document the settings for future reference. Your webhook verification should now be restored successfully. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.